What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. Today I'm going to do unboxing video, which is I'm not big fan. I'm watching sometimes if like furniture assembly, even unboxing a little bit, know how what's going on. But this was yeah, so I decided after I opened it first, I decided to make video for you, so when you get the model, not it won't be complicated. So usually Walthers uh, sealed in one side, and you can open from this side. If you want to keep the box, I'm using like keep the box, even it sometimes it's even very hard, so I'm using this way to open it. I'm calling those kind of locks, just pulling a little bit up, wiggling, and I can see the model not open like with a finger here. Okay, but fun will begin soon. Yeah, Jordan Spreader, there you go. Not a lot of stores around. You can walk in and like ask guys, show me the model, which is everything online, and I'll try my best to do more videos like this. So here we go. Caution about manual and some paperwork. Caution about those sides. Yes. So first I tried to pull the model, but this time I'm doing a little bit differently. Actually, I'll pull up this bottom. Right there. That was easy. Maybe to do the same thing, I'm not sure right now, to put it back, but put it back it's a little bit easy. So we're done with first step. Very carefully like grabbing for it, and thanks guys who allow me to review your models. Yeah, looks like this side more sturdy and like all that construction, so I just did this, flip it around, and that's, you need to be careful with this stuff. All right, so now again, yeah, grabbing very carefully. So I found this way, you kind of pull it and maybe squeeze it a little bit to bend that area, just a little bit, and it will be releasing. Yeah, so a little bit kick. And same thing here. This time I'm grabbing, yeah, that's a couple of detail parts here, grabbing using the cap, and that's the reason I'm using gloves. See, that was to not leaving any prints. Here we go. Put this guys on the side, and the fun part begin. Spread that thing using just bamboo chopstick. Very cool. So we opened one a while ago with Rob, but I don't think so I have a review or anything like that. Very cool. It's like, wow, pretty cool model. Can take the screenshot. Yeah, so let's put back together. Just very careful, because that thing is like bending over here. All right, so you might practice a little bit, maybe with the gloves. Maybe I'm cool, but maybe you just with bare hands, bare fingers will be maybe easy. So that was, I think, was settled. Yes, good. Do the same thing here. Yeah. This side is definitely easy. You can open space to see what's going on. No, I don't think so. Oh, actually, the other side was much easier. Yeah, done. Okay, so I thought to put it back the same way, but I'm not seeing any issues just to load it, something like that. Just carefully with the detail part, small detail parts on top, and here we go. Done. This way. Very cool model. Same thing, putting it in the box. Not really unboxing it, but again, I'm just telling you guys, it's sometimes really complicated. There you go. Very nice and safe now. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you wanna support channel, here's a Patreon page, or you can join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.